So I'm just going to show you guys how long it takes to do all this stuff when it's all put together. So I'm going to actually time myself just for fun and see how long it really takes. So I'll just get going. Alright, so I'm going to start. Okay, so date and initial my folder. Okay. And drag over my templates. Okay, drag over my standards. Let's see, what did we do with Alec today? Reasons for colonization. Okay. And now I want to put in my grades. So we have the grade for the other day. There's homework. All these things should be showing up. Sometimes when students scan in their stuff, it just shows blank, but you could always just make sure by clicking on it, downloading it. Okay, there's the stuff that he scanned. And so I already checked it. So he's going to get full credit for this. I just have a couple things that I want to tell him. So good job. Keep an eye on your spelling. Number 3. Numbers 3 and 4. But we'll talk about them next session. Okay, there's the feedback. Alright, so I've submitted all that. So there it is. And he's participated completely today, so that's easy. Okay, he hasn't turned in the homework yet, but we just finished the class, so give him a little time. And so I'm going to go back here and just put in the stuff to know for the homework. I'm giving him the link to this once again, just so he has it, because he's going to need it for the homework. We also watched a YouTube video today, which I'm just going to include. Hello, John Green. And early European settlers. Okay, there it is. Just have to put that there. Ah, yes, I'm going to just do that. And I'm going to enter in the homework. I've already written up the directions beforehand for myself, so I'm just going to go to that, copy and paste it. Another thing you can do to make the instructions stand out is to bold it if you want, or to increase the font size. I'm going to make sure that my settings are there, so it's due today, later on, so just checking off both. It's set for homework, it's gradable. Okay, that's good. So now my homework is set. Alright, so now I'm going to go do my Genie starting. Okay, session 4. Session 4. Okay, time. Video. Settlements, Jamestown. There, what caused the starving time, and indentured servitude was, and talked about his flipbook project, which he's excited about. His homework is to Okay, and here's the goals that I was talking about. So I've noticed that he's pretty good on these today. And there we go. There. Alright, I've done everything else, so I'm just going to render. There it is. Okay, all done. Let's see how long it took. Okay, about almost 6 minutes. Not bad. All right, so that's about how long it'll take you if you do it all together. There's no set way for you to do it. You don't have to group it all together. There's a bunch of different ways you can do it. Sometimes I like to, in the morning before I even get to work, I just like to log in and just set up the session itself, for all my sessions for the day. Just put the date in and the initial, drag over all my stuff. Just at first, therefore it's all ready. Sometimes I don't have time to do that, so I just have to do that there. So you can do that. You can also do this. They say you can do it in the 10 minutes between each session, but that never really works out. What I try to do is to try to get most of this done during class while the student is doing some independent work for a few minutes. You can even have the student start their homework in the last few minutes of class, and you can get a jump on this, on doing this, so you're not slammed with it with like 7 or 8, doing this for 7 or 8 classes, at the end of your day. But just, to keep in mind that it's in total, it doesn't take that long relatively. All right. So I hope this was helpful.